Hello, I'm Saffron Henke, and I am an associate professor at Colorado State University, the head of performance, and associate director for the Kids Do It All program.
Oh, it's bittersweet. Never feel unique. Oh, it's bittersweet.
KDIA is a one-week camp held at the University Center for the Arts. And in the span of 5 days' time, kids team up and create 3 original short plays with sets, costumes, songs, and choreography. So while I am the camp director, in terms of who is helping the campers come up with the ideas and create the stories, those are our theater students here at CSU.
The Kids Do It All program is important in terms of allowing our students sort of on-the-ground job training for those especially who want to go into theater education.
It was eye-opening. I had a fantastic time. It's made me consider teaching in the future.
I think also working with multiple different groups of children, because we have a different group every single week, also kind of forces you to be really quick on your feet. You can't have a normal structure of things that goes through the whole summer, so it really relies on you to be creative with how you approach your teaching.
A stage manager kind of does a whole lot of things. Here at KDIA, it mostly looks like facilitating all of the waivers and other kind of behind-the-scenes kind of paperwork and information for all of the kids.
And essentially what I do for the camp is I help the kids come up with ideas for their sets and their props for their performances. I construct them and help them paint them so that we have a nice, beautiful stage.
By doing this process where they're essentially creating new plays every week, our students get the opportunity to direct, to be playwrights, as well as working in a classroom situation for those who are interested in theater education.
I have technically professionally written 16 plays now because of KDIA.
The Road to El Dorito, of course, is a classic.
The Road to El Dorito.
The Road to El Dorito.
Because of course a whole bunch of 9 and 10-year-olds want to go to a cheese jungle with cheese explorers, and so our assignment is to come up with as many cheese puns as possible.
It contained, I think, around 50 cheese puns.
Truly, I think that's the best example of the creativity that comes from KDIA and how really you can just do anything as long as, you can get it on paper and we can make it happen.
Many of our students and many theater students go and do some kind of teaching after undergraduate, even while they're cultivating their professional experience. So to have that ability to already have that on your resume when you leave school is hugely beneficial.
I have a lot of experience working with kids, and I enjoy working with kids, and combining something that I love, like theater, and something that I enjoy working with kids, I thought that would be a great use of my summer.
For me personally, my dream is to be able to make the arts accessible to everybody, no matter where they come from. And KDIA was pretty much like the opportunity to learn how to teach younger people.
We start the hiring process in January, go through rigorous interviews and then training so that our own students not only are going to be prepared to use the skills that they're learning at CSU, but also will be equipped to help these kids bring their ideas to life.
I feel like they let you express yourselves. You're gonna get thoughts from the heart because you literally make up the plays and you play a lot of games. The teachers are so nice.
I think it's been good for me to be exposed to how to mentor these young children to have a better appreciation for all the work that goes into theater, as well as just how fun it is.
I'm working with all kinds of other college students that I didn't necessarily take many classes with or interact with in other theater activities.
Because I remembered when I did it as a kid, and that made me really want to be able to kind of apply these skills that I was learning kind of as a student.
And it, I think, helps you clarify your own skill set and vision for who you want to be as an artist.
What I wanna change.